Alright guys, how's it going? It's this week's recommended Blender tutorials. This is where I scour the internet, or I basically deep dive into YouTube, and I find the best tutorials for your learning pleasure. Now don't be like bingo time and don't be a dick and don't upload my videos and pretend they're yours. Anyway, let's move this straight on to the recommended tutorials. First up is Procedural Scratchy Metal Material in Blender 2.9 Eevee, and that's touched by Kai. Next one up is from 3D School, Triangulate your way into a cool animation with Blender, and it's a nice effect to be honest. You essentially triangulate the mesh and it gives you a nice kind of ident. Next one up is from Josh, Blender Beginner SciFi Floor Tutorial. It's a long one to be honest, it's 44 minutes long, but if you've got the time it's definitely worth checking it out. And this one is from Alfie, Thor VFX Tutorial Blender 2.9, it's pretty cool, there's nice motion tracking, and there's kind of nice VFX over the top. And this one is from Jen, Getting Starting with Quixel Mixer. Always good to know Quixel Mixer, great little tool, cheers Jen. And this is from Jamie Dunbar, 2,000 subscribers, do me a favour guys, please support all the artists here. And this is Retopology in Blender using the Polybuild tool. And this is from 25 Games, How to Work with the Array Modifier. I mean, everybody needs to know that. And this is from Sketches for Humanity, making a volumetric jet material for Eevee. Nice one, I assume they uses the new volumetrics and then colours it. And this is from Blender Made Easy, so you know it's going to be a good one. It's how to create a pile of rock. Now keeping on the rock theme, we have Ryan Art King, procedural rock material, so hey, it kind of goes hand in hand here. And let's move this over to 3D plant tutorial using curves, Polygon Runaway, 148,000 subscribers. You know this guy's got a bit of skill behind him. And this is from Icom Designs, B-Transform Objects, Blender Days of Type, Blender tutorial, and it's actually quite good. You transform one text object into another object. It's pretty sexy to be honest. And this is Blender Secrets, Paper Plane. How do you make a paper plane in Blender? Well, Blender Secrets has the answers for you. And that pretty much rounds up some of the best tutorials on YouTube this week. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on Twitter, supporting Gumroad, you know what to do. Wear a condom. Take care.